ATCH stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Atlas Clear Holdings stock has been pretty interesting, but I do see like a 10% decrease in price. Just for context, all I'm sticking to is a strategy that has previously given me thousands of great predictions, and I've documented everything. And even with that, this is how the chart looks like. It's quite bearish though, so how I'm going to do this. First and foremost, this is an environment that I don't typically like when the price just kind of pulses, you know, kind of you have the pulse here. What am I talking about? Yeah, it's just like not the price that I like. Because remember, I've done 32,000 videos and it's all my YouTube channel. You can check it out. And I had like a lot of data of what has worked and what has not worked for me. And specifically with ATCH case, it's just a bearish market for me. I would like to hear your thoughts in the comments down below, but it's not even something that I'll short here. It's just my bias is bearish. That's it.